Everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today's MetaQuest tip is how you can get files on and off of your Quest 3 or 3S on a Windows computer. You're going to first want to put on the headset, plug it into your computer. You're going to see a little icon on the bottom that says USB detected, and you're going to allow file transferring. Once you've done that, you're going to see it show up on your Windows computer screen. If it's not there in the bottom right corner, something will probably have come up that says allow access, or what your default action is in your files. On the left hand side there, you can see I'm clicking on it there. Go into it, and then here's where you're going to access all the different files. If you want to access your screenshots or screen recordings, go to the Oculus one. Then you can see your videos or your screenshots as well. That's where you can access those. But here you can also access your downloads or documents, whatever they might be. Different apps allow different things. For Vermilion, you can download things and put them there. But this is where you can access all that right there, easy to use. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.